Hello, so I just wanted to do a little quick video regarding submitting the sample for this GI map. If I ordered it for you, then I will have explained it to you either in person or on the phone or on the video, but I know sometimes it's a lot of information that you're being given, and I just wanted to have you make this so that you have something to refer to in case you forget. So you'll get this box to take home with you, and this is for the stool sample. And inside the box, there is this lab requisition that I have already signed, and what you need to just do is check either patient cash or bill your insurance. Hopefully this isn't backwards. So you'll check one of those, and if you're gonna bill it to your insurance, I would just say to make sure you contact your insurance company, and I provide you the codes that you need to give to them to see if it's covered. The biggest thing is you have to have out-of-network coverage. So if you don't have any out-of-network coverage, then you're gonna just wanna check patient cash, because that's gonna be cheaper for you than them submitting it to your insurance and then them denying it. So the patient cash price, if no insurance is involved, is going to be $359. If we decide to add zonulin, then I think it's an additional charge. I think it's another $50, but I'll have to make sure to let you know on that. But the basic GI map is $359. So if you do use insurance, you have out of network coverage, and you know some of it's going to get, at least some of it's going to get covered, then what you do is you submit a deposit for $179 for the GI map. And if we've decided to add on zonulin, then that total deposit is going to be $208. So make sure that you check the rate box, and that you do find out about your insurance coverage before. Because if you check bill to patient insurance and then you find out that you don't have out of network coverage and your insurance company is not going to pay any, then I think the price goes up to like $723. I have nothing to do with these prices, but I just wanted to let you know this so that you know exactly what to expect and there are no surprises. The other part, just make sure you fill out your patient information right here. And then also, if you are using insurance, and especially Medicare does cover this test 100%. So you shouldn't have to pay anything. So you can check bill to patient insurance, and then just make sure you fill out this patient insurance part, and then you sign it and date it. So that's this part. So once you're done with that, set that aside. And the collection process, you'll get a little, looks like a French fry container to me, but this is what it is. And so you put on your gloves right here that are it comes in this bag. You have a set of gloves. So you put on your gloves, and I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but they're provided for you. And then you just do your best to not have any urine mixed in with the stool. So for female patients, I think the best thing to do is, if you have to pee, just pee, and then take some toilet paper and hold it over that area so that no more urine leaks out, and then just hold that under your bottom so that you can collect the stool. Obviously a little bit easier for men, but or males. And then once you collect that stool, then you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. You'll take this container and set it down, and then take out this, and before you open this, make sure you fill out, you just put your name and your date of birth on here, and then the date. There is an option to check if it's formed or what kind of stool you have. That's not entirely necessary, but if you want to completely fill it out, that's fine. Mainly name, date of birth, and date. And then you open this, and then you use this little scooper to scoop the poop. It's a pooper scooper. And you scoop the poop, and you don't need a lot, but you need enough just to fill up to this this line right here. And then once you fill it up with your stool, then you close it up real good and you just shake it vigorously for 30 seconds. And once the 30 seconds is up, then you can place this sample in the bag, throw away the rest of the french fries, the rest of your stool, and excuse me, you can obviously throw away the gloves. You seal this up, and then you take your lab requisition and you can slide it just right here in that little pocket. Then you take this sample, put it in the box, close up the box, and then you put the box inside this envelope and seal up the envelope. If you're not taking it right away, or if it's not or FedEx isn't coming right away to pick it up, you can just store it in the refrigerator until it's ready, till you're ready to take it to be shipped off, or until FedEx is going to come pick it up. Hopefully that has helped clear up any questions that you have. Of course, after this, if you have any questions, always you can send me a message through the patient portal, which is preferred, or email, and I'll answer as soon as I can. See you later.